Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect speakers to your BenQ monitor. So it is not that hard. At the back side you will find aux hole. So basically I will show you how that looks. So if we go and type aux BenQ monitor, we will see how it will look like. I can show you because this monitor is mounted next to the wall, so it is kind of hard now. So basically you'll need to find like that, and as you can see it will be an aux button hole, and basically you'll need to take your speakers, put the aux right here, and basically put an USB to power your speakers. And then you'll basically need to open the menu and go down until you see audio, and then you'll need to go to the audio, select, make sure it is on auto detect, and your speakers should work. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.